Unit 4 retest is tomorrow, so I'm going to do the odds to kind of help you review. Number 1 says that the 3 points are given, find the length of each side, and then classify the triangles by its sides. So after you draw the picture, you kind of want to count how many boxes there are, or use the Pythagorean theorem to kind of solve it. For example, Tn has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Tn is 5 units, or Nt. But now to find Tr, I'm going to make this little right triangle so I can count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. That's 6 and 2. So Tr is 6 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. 36 plus 4 equals c squared. 40. Take the square root. Therefore, c equals the square root of 40. So I'm just going to write the square root of 40 here for Tr. And for Rn, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. So for Rn, it is 3 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 36 is 45. So c is the square root of 45. Now by looking at these, we can tell that all the angles are less than 90. So we can say it's acute. And since these 3 sides do not match, these 3, since none of them are the same, it's going to be a scalene. So it's an acute scalene triangle. We're going to do the same thing for 3 through 6, except we don't need to kind of solve for anything. It's already given to us. So we can see that the angles, this one's larger than 90, which is going to make it obtuse. And since all the sides don't match, it is scalene. Now for number 5, I'll have this box here, which means it's a right angle, so we're going to say it's a right. 2 dashes here mean these 2 sides are the same, so 2 sides means it is isosceles. Number 7, solving for x. Remember, a triangle equals 180 degrees. So we go 62 plus 6x plus 3 plus 67 equals 180. If you combine like terms, that gives you 132 plus 6x equals 180. You subtract to give you 6x equals 48. So you divide to give you x equals 8. For number 9, the measure of angle 2, this one here is x plus 55. And so again, these tick marks mean that it's an isosceles triangle, which means opposite angles are also congruent. So 47 is congruent to x plus 45. So we say 47 equals x plus 55. We subtract to say that x equals a negative 8. Number 11 is the exterior angle theorem. That says that the one on the outside, 15x plus 10, equals a 2 on the inside, 75 plus 5x minus 5. Combine like terms. Then we're going to move stuff, so I'm going to move the 5x. Subtract the 10. 10x equals 60, so you divide by 10. to get that x equals 6. And the last one. I'm going to start here on the left. It's an isosceles triangle, so I'm looking here first. Let's grab highlighters. This states that if this one here is 53, it means that this one here is also 53. And if I look at the other triangle, this 53 jumps to here because they are vertical angles. So this being another isosceles triangle states that if this is 53, this one here will also be 53. So our problem will say that 53 equals 3x plus 17. So we're going to solve by subtracting 17 to give you that 36 equals 3x divided by 3. And you get that x equals 12. You should be able to do all of the evens based off of my video for all of the odds.